Hello and welcome back. Everyone loves banana bread, right? Well, today I want to show you how to make the most decadent banana bread you've ever tasted. Let's get stuck in. All this recipe is combining the following ingredients into a stand mixer. The full list is in the description. First things first, we want to combine our wet ingredients. So, into the mixer, add 4 bananas. I got lucky here that none got thrown out as I turned the mixer on, so maybe just halve them first. To the bananas, add 2 whole eggs, 150 grams of melted unsalted butter, 30 ml of spiced rum, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of molasses. Now that you have the scary looking brown mixture, let's add the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 large tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. And finally, 3 cups or 410 grams of flour. The last thing I like to add is 250 grams of white chocolate chips. Let this mix until combined, and then remove it from the mixer. And there you have it, that's the mixture done. I like to prepare my baking trays by coating them with butter and placing a strip of baking paper on the bottom. I just find that this way the loaf will come out of the pan perfectly every time. Once your pans are ready to go ahead and pour in the mixture. Only fill up the pan to about 70% because the banana bread will rise a fair bit in the oven. If you're feeling a little fancy, I like to garnish this loaf by splitting a banana down the middle and placing the 2 halves seed side up on top of the bread. The last thing to do is to preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius, cover your banana bread with aluminium foil, and let it cook for approximately 50 minutes or until a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the loaf cool down a bit, then serve a thick slice with a pat of butter and a drizzle of honey. I guarantee you, it'll be a massive hit.